Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, I love to post girly content. I like everything that's about bags, shoes, makeup. I'm into perfumes, all of that cute girly stuff. So if you're into that kind of content, stick around, like this video, leave a comment. I greatly appreciate everybody that subscribed and commented on my videos and been showing love. I think it's amazing. So for today's video, we are doing back to school edition. I start class later today, and this is a what's in my bag college student edition because I'm old.
What's all that yelling? You just can't wait for me to die, can you?
So this is the Coach Court, the large size. I know there's a mini size. This is the Coach Court backpack in the color block. If you're new here, then know that I drop something in every single video. And if you're not new here, then you're used to this. So let's keep it going. So this is the Coach Court backpack in the color block with the dark signature canvas and the black details. I absolutely love this bag, and I've had my eye on this bag for a long time. And one day I saw another girl get on the bus with it, and I was like, oh my God, that's the bag. And it was like a sign that I had to have it, because I was looking at it online for a long time, and it was like when I saw somebody else walking with it the same day that I thought about it again, it was like a sign that I had to have it. So I have it now and I love it. The bag features two large compartments and then a smaller compartment, and then you have two pockets on the side that you could put your water bottle in or other things. And the back pocket here is kind of for your like large electronic device, like your tablet or your laptop, and then the front pocket here is for other miscellaneous items, your notebooks or anything else. And then the front, you kind of do what you want with that. It's like small accessories. So we are going to go ahead and jump right in with the large pocket because it is making my bag a little heavy. I tend to carry a lot because I'm one of those kind of people that I think I don't need it, and then I'll get to school and I need it, and I'll feel like my day is just wasted. It's pointless because I didn't bring that one thing that, you know, I was debating on. So in the back pocket, I have my laptop in a sleeve. I have the 2022, I think. I bought it in this year, 2023, but I think this is the 2022 MacBook Air with the M2 chip. And I have this really cute case. It's like a nude minimalistic type of a case. I really wanted a case from Velvet Caviar, but they still haven't made the cases for this MacBook. So I kind of just went with this as a last resort because I tried for a couple of weeks. I tried for a couple weeks and I was not able to find the case that I wanted. So I was very, very sad. Then I have the iPad Pro. This case is from Velvet Caviar. I have my cute little cow pencil. So cute. So this is the iPad Pro from 2018. I have not upgraded it yet because honestly, this iPad works perfectly fine. I know that they have iPads now with M1 and M2 chips, but I'm going to be completely honest with you. The speed and specs of this iPad are great, and I don't feel the need to go and buy another iPad when this one works just fine. So I love this iPad. And then that's that's all that I have in the back pocket. So in the front, I guess middle pocket, I have a lot of things. I have my Beats Studio 3. I got them in the nude color a couple of years ago. These are extremely comfortable. I did have to replace the ear pads because I've had them for so long and I do use them at the gym, so the pleather on them started to peel and it was getting really, really bad. Like anytime I wore them, I had like these nude flakes all over my face, all over my clothes, and it was just embarrassing. So I replaced the ear pads from Amazon instead of going and buying whole brand new headphones, because I actually do love these and they are really cute on. I think they're really cute and the noise cancellation is actually really good on these. I just really enjoy these. I use these at school when I'm in the library. Sometimes we'll have a class that's going to be on Zoom, and when I wear these, I kind of just really just be into my own world. It's like it helps me eliminate a lot of distractions, because in the library, people these days do not have respect for other people's space, and they'll be talking too loud and laughing, and it's too much for me. So these are really, really helpful. And then I have my pencil case. This is in pink. I found this on Amazon like maybe 5 years ago, and I really, really love it because it's so spacious. I have, ow, that's not supposed to be in there. I have an iPhone cord that goes in another pouch that I have, and I have another iPhone cord, really, really long iPhone cord that's not supposed to be in there either. But I have so much in here, which is why I love this pencil case. I put all my pens and stuff there, and then all of my highlighters, which I use a little bit more often, are here. Super cute, super organized. I'm the type of person where I just don't like things out of place, like those 2 iPhone cords that I just pulled out. So this is my pencil case that I carry all the time. And this is that one thing that I debate, like, do I really need it? Because everything that I do is digital. I have a laptop and an iPad with an Apple Pencil. So all of my notes are digital, and this is like that one thing that I'm like, do I really need this? Then I have my tech case, which is where these 2 cords are supposed to be. This case is really cute. I usually use this for travel, but when I'm in school, I don't travel because I'm a good student. I use this for all of my chargers. So I have an iPad charger. I have an extra MacBook charger. The new MacBook chargers are really small and they come with a dual port. Really, really cute. I have a external hard drive. I think this is 2 terabytes. I got this at Best Buy for a decent price. I have a dongle in case I need to connect something to my MacBook, because Apple likes to rule the world and tell you what you don't need on your MacBook, but they eliminated all of the ports and now we have to use these. I think this is just another gimmick for Apple to make you buy things that once came on the MacBook. I have my planner. This is my Coach planner with the C for Christina. Okay. Yeah, but that's like one of the things I love about Coach and like any kind of signature. I used to not feel this way in the past, but lately I'm just like, you know what? That's C for Christina, and I think that's so cute. And this is my Boss pen. It's super, super, super blinged. So I put this in my planner when I'm making important notes. Anything that's really, really, really important that I need to write down goes in here with my Boss pen. And I carry these together because it matches. Isn't that so cute? I love it. So cute. And then I have my folder, which has a lot of things inside already, and school just started. Welcome to the college life. My folder is also pink. If you haven't noticed already, everything is pink. What else? My wallet, because who like walks around and doesn't carry their wallet? And this is a Coach care tag. I don't need this. We're gonna, okay. What else? The front pocket over here where I keep other accessories that I don't want getting smushed, like this. These are my glasses. They are prescription because I can't see. These are the Tiffany glasses, and I'll show them to you. They are so cute. I should be wearing them now, but if I wear them, then you can't see me because of the reflection. Maybe you can't see me. Yeah, I mean, it depends. I think like this, maybe they're not so bad. But these are so cute. I really love these. I think you can find them at like a Lens Crafters for a really good price, or you could get them online at those places that sell designer frames at like a discounted price, and then bring them to your eye doctor to get the prescription filled. Love these. These are like, I love these because they don't scream designer. It's kind of one of those things. I'll show you a little closer. It's kind of one of those things where it's like, if you know, you know. These are kind of one of those glasses that it's like, if you know, oops, oh my goodness. Focus. It's kind of one of those glasses where it's like, if you know, you know. It doesn't scream designer. If you know what the Tiffany links look like, how they tend to design them sometimes, they have like that cute little link there, and then ever so small and slightly, I don't even know if I could get it to focus, ever so small, it does say Tiffany, very tiny, and then the cute little blue tips here. So that's why I like them. I used to be the type that like those big glasses that say like Gucci, but you know, as I approached my 30s, I just found that to be not my style. So these are really cute, really classy, and I feel fancy wearing them. I aspire to be like Audrey Hepburn when I get older, with my breakfast at Tiffany, my Tiffany glasses, and my LV Speedy, and my cute little white gloves. I think that's just such a vibe, such a look one day. So the next thing I have in here is really simple. I don't have a lot in here. I did it again. That's twice in this video. I drop everything. Okay. So this is my Bath and Body Works. Is this upside down? I'm sorry, guys. The viewfinder is behind me and I'm like, wait a minute, that's upside down. So I have my Bath and Body Works lotion. This is called Into the Night. It smells really good, and Into the Night, it's one of those scents. I think it's kind of Christmassy or like a seasonal scent, but it's one of those things that I always overlook, and I don't know why. If you like Into the Night, comment below. Am I the only one out there that finds this to be underrated? I really like this. What else? I have a hand sanitizer. This is the Bath and Body Works Grapefruit and Garden Herb. really, really cute. And this smells really good. It is very citrusy. It almost, you know, it actually smells, I was gonna say it smells like an orange. No, it smells just like a grapefruit. It's really, really citrusy. And then there's like a little hint of herb, but you smell like 99% grapefruit and 1% floral, some kind of herbal something. But this is really nice. I love this. And then hiding my school ID, I have this cute little retractable ID holder that clips. I could clip it to the back of my pants or something. To the back of my pants. I could clip it to the front of my pants and swipe my ID, because practically every building and pathway at my school requires an ID swipe. So I feel like this is really convenient. Like, just to get to the computer lab, I have to swipe my ID like twice. So I don't like keeping my ID in my wallet, because then I have to take out my wallet several times throughout the day, and the less times I have to take my wallet out, the less times I am leaving myself vulnerable to. This is New York City, and this is the things that I think about. Last semester, I lost my ID so many times. And every time you lose an ID, and I think this goes for all CUNY schools, every time you lose your ID, you have to pay $10 to get it reprinted. And I think I lost it like 4 times. That's $40 because I kept losing the ID. And it's not like I just was losing it. Like, it was falling out of my pocket. Like, I had it here, and I think I laid my bag down and it fell out and I didn't know. There was actually a time where I don't know what happened. It fell out, and somebody was nice enough to email me and let me know that they found it. If you are that person, you're watching this, you are so appreciated, because you saved me $10. But for all the other people that found my ID on the floor and didn't say anything, karma is a real thing, okay? Okay. Anyways, so I got this because this was like $6 on Amazon, and I'm going to clip this to the front of my pants, and I will never lose my ID again. Okay? And that is it for what's in my bag. Back to school edition. I mean, I really can't go wrong with this backpack, and I think it's a great buy. I believe the price, I'm gonna put a screenshot on this side here. I believe the price of this backpack is around $180 to $190. If you can try to get maybe a sale later in the year for Black Friday, this bag is just a no-brainer. I've had this bag now for a year, and it's still in mint condition. It held up so well. It's so comfortable to wear. I really, really love this bag. I'm very happy with it. It's actually a little gift from my mom, because she knew I really, really, really wanted it. And so when I was going to go ahead and purchase it, she actually helped me out and gifted it. And I'm so grateful to my mom for getting me this bag. Oh wait, I missed something. I have another pen. This is really cute. It's pink. It has little flowers on it. I can't. It's pink and it has little flowers on it. This actually came from my mom. Mom, if you're watching, hi. Yeah, this is really cute. It's pink and gold, and it's definitely my type of vibe. Sometimes you just need a pen like really, really quick, so I just clip it right there. So cute. But yeah, that's my what's in my bag back to school edition. So if you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That way you can get notified about future videos. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.